Umalis na ang tugboat ng China na ilang araw nagpapaikot-ikot sa Ayungin Shoal ayon sa Philippine Navy. Batay naman sa satellite photos na nakuha ng Reuters, kinukumpuni na ang barko ng China Coast Guard na bumangga sa barko ng Chinese Navy malapit sa Bajo de Masinloc. Balitang hatid ni Chino Gaston.
August 11 nang maganap ang banggang ito ng mga barko ng Chinese Navy at China Coast Guard sa tangka nilang pag-ipit sa BRP Suluan ng Philippine Coast Guard malapit sa Bajo de Masinloc. Dahil sa banggaan, kitang napingas ang nguso ng barko ng China Coast Guard at napinsala rin ang barko ng Chinese Navy. Halos 2 linggo makalipas, sa mga satellite photo na nakuha ng Reuters, ang Coast Guard Ship 3104 makikitang nakadaong sa Yulin Naval Base sa Hainan Island. Ayon sa Reuters, under repair ang 3104 na makikitang wala na ang dulong bahagi ng bow o harapan na parte ng barko. May nakatabi ding tugboat sa gilid nito. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, ang mga ganitong klaseng pagkasira inaabot ng ilang buwan o di kaya taon bago maging seaworthy ang isang barko.
There appears to be much damage to the front portion of the Coast Guard ship. But we don't know if there were any other damages, especially to the underwater part, the lining of the shaft, and other critical parts of the ship. So generally, I would say around 1 to 2 months. Then they could again put the ship back into the water and do some test.
Mula nang nangyaring banggaan, wala ding impormasyon sa planned warship na may bow number 164. Hanggang ngayon, hindi inaamin ng China na may nasirang barko ang China Coast Guard at People's Liberation Army Navy.
How can you basically reconcile, China developing a world-class military, then this incident happened? I think that's one of the reasons why the Military Commission ordered this operation was to impress upon the people, see, we have done this, we have prevented the Filipinos from entering into our secret territory. At the time, of course, we're showing to the people and to the world that we have a world-class military capability. Then this thing happened.
Samantala, umalis na raw ng Ayungin ang tugboat ng Chinese Navy na ilang araw nang paikot-ikot sa Ayungin Shoal. Pero nananatili ang 15 Chinese Maritime Militia at 2 China Coast Guard ships at 2 rigid hull inflatable boats malapit sa Ayungin Shoal.
The tugboat was not sighted anymore after the 26th, hindi na siya nakita. But for ending the other day, which is 26 August, same report as the previous days. So basically, the number has been constant, 15 MMV to Chinese Coast Guard to Maritime Militia. Yung rib naman, minsan inaakyat, binababa. So we usually don't count it anymore.
Hindi nagpapakakampante ang Philippine Navy para matiyak na ligtas ang mga sundalo sa BRP Sierra Madre at maayos na maisasagawa ang mga resupply at troop rotation mission doon.
Chino Gaston nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.